Mother's Party Blast Off, cash and prizes. Yeah, you can win, win, win.
Mother's Party Blast Off Grand Draw. Yeah!
Mother's Party Blast Off promotion started on January 30. It ran for 6 weeks, and all of our customers were invited to make a purchase of only $250.
Normally when I come to Mother's, I buy burger, patty meal, chicken.
Every customer filled out a form and entered to win the grand prize of a 55-inch Toshiba flat screen TV. The other prize include an iPad and a Samsung Galaxy Tab. Each week we gave away $190,000. That's 19 people, each of them winning $10,000. My name is Kadeen Thompson. I'm calling you from Mother's.
I was in my bed, hear the phone ringing. My baby father tell me I mustn't answer the call. I insist to answer. When I answer, I hear that it's Mother's.
And I'm calling to advise you that you have won for yourself $10,000 in Mother's Party Blast Off promotion.
It says I look at your answer.
It was a lot of excitement when I called the customers. They did not believe that the promotion was for real. You don't believe me? Yes.
I wasn't surprised because I thought it was a trick.
And they believed me when I brought them here and gave each of them their $10,000.
I just believe that I won now because I didn't believe.
At first I thought it was a prank, but I guess it wasn't.
Everybody was very appreciative of their prize.
I'm a frequent customer at Mother's, and it's good that they can reward me for shopping at their place.
I feel happy that I win it. It can benefit me in life and me to further in my education.
All of my kids are happy for me right now. All of them. They keep calling, ask me if I got it yet. Within this $10,000, I've decided what I'm going to do with it, but eventually I will.
Today I'm feeling happy winning this $10,000 present from Mother's, and I wish you people keep doing whatever you're doing. You're doing a great job.
All of the entries from January 30 until March 12, that's 6 weeks worth of entries. That was over 20,000 tickets that we placed into a drum. We were at York Plaza and we did our drawing.
The grand draw is under the observation of the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission. I've asked Ms. Yannick Algenol, a member of the public, to help me to choose the winners. We're going to choose the third place winner of the Samsung Galaxy Touch. We have our winner of our third prize of our Samsung Galaxy Tab. And that winner is Miss Laura Tate. We have a second place winner of the iPad. And that winner is Miss Laura Lee Blake. She's of the Independent City in Portmore. We have just drawn the first place winner of the Toshiba 55-inch flat screen TV, and the winner is Mr. Ori Turner. Mr. Turner of What's the Hill, Manchester.
Today we are here at Mother's Crossroads to hand over our grand prizes.
Well, I feel really great about winning this prize now. I was really excited, was really considering on buying a TV. So now that I win a TV, I feel really good.
I've never won anything before, so I'm so surprised. This is my first win in anything at all. With this new iPad, I could go on the net, I can play games, I can assist my kids with homework and stuff like that.
You made several purchases, but you filled out a form only once. Lucky you, Mr. Turner, and congratulations. Thank you very much.
This TV that I won, I'm sure it will fit real perfect in my house.
I'm happy, very happy.
We would like to congratulate all of our winners, all of our consolation prize winners, everyone who made a purchase, everyone who entered, everybody who got engaged and were really interested and excited for this promotion. We'd like to thank you all.
Mother's is great. I actually enjoyed the bacon cheese patty. That's what I won this from. So it's my favorite, so that's why I was there.
Mother's, you can't leave Mother's. No matter what you do, no matter what you do, you can't avoid Mother's.
They're constantly improving, and the quality of service definitely good.
The best patty store